Hello everyone. Welcome to next lecture of Elective Econ 354. Course title is Agribusiness Management. Okay. So in this session we study the marketing management in agribusiness. Okay. So in previous lecture we studied about the different concept of marketing which is used in marketing of product. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about marketing mix, okay, or different components of marketing mix. Already you all studied this marketing mix concept or topic in marketing course of 5th semester. So marketing mix, first of all, we study the definition of marketing mix. So this marketing mix is the combination of strategies, processes adopted for consumer satisfaction. That means whatever the strategies or processes which are used for the consumer satisfaction, that strategies or process is known as marketing mix. Or this marketing mix is the set of marketing tools that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objective in the target market. Okay, that means whatever the marketing tools that are used for satisfaction of consumer, that is to achieve the different marketing object of target markets, is known as marketing mix. Okay, after that definition of marketing mix, next point, that is 4 P's of marketing or different components of marketing mix. So these are the 4 P's of marketing mix. In that first P, that is product, place, price and promotion. These are the 4 P's of marketing mix. Okay, product, place, price and promotion. We see one by one these 4 P's of marketing mix. In that first P, that is product. Okay, so this product itself is the first element of marketing mix. Okay, so this product, it combines the physical product, product services, brand and packages. Okay, so this product itself combine the physical product, that is goods and services. There is product services, physical product, there is tangible goods and intangible goods, and also different product services, then brand of that particular product and packaging or packages of that particular product are considered under the product. Okay, so it is not only include the production of right goods but also their shape, design, style and brand. That means whatever the characteristics of that particular product that satisfy the consumer needs or consumer wants, that are considered in first P, that is product. Okay, so it include shape, size, design, style, brand or any other different characteristics of that particular product. Okay, so this is the first P under marketing mix, that is product. Okay, after first P, second P, that is price. Okay, we already know the price. That means whatever the consumer needs to buy a good at affordable price. So this price is one of the major marketing mix. So this price is refers to value that is put for the product. That means whatever the value of that particular product is known as the price. So this price is depends on various factors like cost of production, segment targeted, ability of market to pay, demand and supply, then host of other direct and indirect factors. So these are the different factors which determine the price of that particular product. Okay, so first one, that is cost of production. That means whatever the production of that particular product, within how much cost that product will be produced, according to that cost of production the price of that particular product is determined. Also segment targeted, it is one of the marketing concept, that is market segmentation. That means according to which segment you have to target it, according to that the price of commodity is determined. Then ability of market to pay, then demand and supply of that particular commodity are considered while determining the price of commodity. Okay, there can be several types of pricing strategies, each tied in with overall business plan. That means for getting the maximum sale, the producer adopt the different pricing strategies, and this pricing can also be used a demarcation to differentiate and enhance the image of the product. Different marketing strategies like skimming is there, then different offers are there. So these different strategies are used for the marketing of that particular product. Okay, after price, next one, that is place. So this place is one of the most important factor in marketing. So place is refers to point of sale. That means point where the producer is sell their produce. That place is considered while marketing. Okay. So in every industry, the catching eye of the consumer and making it easy for her to buy it is the main aim of the good distribution or the place strategy. That means the place which consumer is easily find or easily catch that particular product. So this place is most important concept while marketing. Okay, so retailers pay the premium for right location. That means retailers pay the maximum premium or maximum rate for the right location, because location is one of the major factor that influence the marketing of the product. Okay, so in fact the mantra of successful retail business is the location, location and the location. So this location is one of the most crucial factors that determine the success of business. So this is the next P, that is plus. After that, last P of marketing mix, that is promotion. So this promotion is refers to all the activities undertaken to make the product or services known to their user or the trade. That means whatever the activities are undertaken to know the service and product to their user is considered as a promotion. So this promotion can include different advertising, word of mouth, press reports, incentives, commission, award to trade. That means different promotion strategies were adopted for the promotion of that particular product, such as advertising by using different medias like multimedias, TV show, radio show, poster, charts. So by using different medias, the producer can make the advertising or promotion of that particular product. Also word of mouth, so mouth to mouth publicity is there, then press report, different visual aids like press reports, chart, poster, newspaper, etc. can be used while promotion of their product. Okay, it also include the consumer scheme, direct marketing and contest and price. Also for promotion purpose, the producer can use different consumer scheme or also the direct the marketing or different contest or prize for the promotion of their product. So these are the 4 P's of marketing mix: that product, place, price and promotion of that particular product. Okay, so question may be asked on this type: explain the 4 P's of marketing mix. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is marketing mix. Thank you all.